I've spent the last 4 months learning N8N, and recently I changed to Claude Code. But what actually is the difference between N8N and Claude Code? Honestly, people keep comparing these two, but I don't understand why, because they are wildly different. In N8N, you have nodes, which basically act as your functions, what you do to the data. You manually configure each of these nodes to create a workflow automation system. And you can connect these nodes via API to websites or applications. Claude Code, on the other hand, is your coding agent. So you speak to it in natural language and it will come up with files, it will come up with websites, applications, and even automation workflows. In N8N, you have to decide how to create the solution for the problem. It is basically an easy way to code API connections between applications. With Claude, you can be so much more hands-off and you can let it decide the best way to solve the problem. So it really doesn't make sense to compare Claude and N8N, because Claude is just a much more comprehensive system, whereas N8N is just specifically workflow automation that you have to manually configure.